This is a touch screen Chromebook, but touch screen is not working. So in this video I'll fix it. Like, I'll also show you how to fix it. So first what you will do, you need to open this side. So this side you need to take this type of thing, and here you will press something here, this is, and it will be open. Okay, now take this that side and take this side. Okay, so now you can see here, this connection is touch screen connection. Okay, this connection is touch connection. This is the power of the screen. Okay, and here this one is webcam. Okay, so touch screen is not working, that means something is wrong here. So connect it. Sometimes you can use alcohol to clean it, because if there's a dust, it's better to clean. So it's better to clean if there's a dust here. So now it's connected. Let's see whether now touch screen is working or not. Is touch screen working? Okay, so the issue is this one. Okay, this connection, if you reconnect it properly, then touch screen will work. Okay, touch screen will work. Now after doing that, so thanks for watching.